Okay, I made a line design with the 4 basic right angles. After this, you want to make your points. Then you want to connect the last line on the y-axis with the first line on the x-axis, and keep on moving down and over. So after you do this, do it for each side, for each quadrant. And when you're done, you get your poster board and do the same design on it. This is what it looks like when it's finished. And now I'm going to show you how to recreate it on the poster. I used was this poster board. The back of it is this cardboard poster board, crochet yarn, a ruler, and needles. Instead of using the needle, I decided to use a bobby pin because it was easier for the thread to wrap around, and it made a tighter knot, and it was easier to use. Well, what you want to do is start from the outside and come back in and just do the design of your pattern, or this pattern. Come from the outside and go back in, and then you're going to do this 3 more times. You go back to the bottom of the line and you go inside. And you go back from the outside and you go back in. You're going to do this about 8 or 9 times depending on the size of your line design. This is my finished product. I have around 12 or 14 different lines with 4 quadrants of about 12, 14 different lines. It should look very similar to the sketch on the paper. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 12 different lines. So you're gonna have 12 lines for each, for 4 sections. For those 4 sections, the lines are all going to be similar to each side. There's basically a mirror image of each side, and all sides should be symmetrical to each other. They should all be the same size and lined up with each other like they are. And that's how you make a line.